In a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2305, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, indicated some important characteristics for Muslims to adopt. One of the things is that the richest person is the one who is satisfied with what Allah, the Exalted, has granted them. The one who is always in need of more worldly things is needy, which is another word for poor, even if they possess much wealth. But the one who is pleased with what they possess is not needy and is therefore rich, even if they possess little wealth or worldly things. In addition, the one who is pleased with what Allah, the Exalted, has granted them will be provided with grace, which will ensure their possessions fulfill their needs and the needs of their dependents, and it will grant them peace of mind and body. Whereas, those who are not pleased with what they have been granted will not obtain this grace. This will cause them to feel as if their possessions are not enough to fulfill their needs and the needs of their dependents. This will prevent them from obtaining peace of mind and body, even if they have the world at their feet. Satisfaction includes being pleased with what Allah, the Exalted, has chosen for a person, namely, destiny. A Muslim should firmly believe Allah, the Exalted, always chooses what is best for His servant, even if they do not observe the wisdoms behind His choice. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 216.
But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows while you know not.
If a Muslim concentrates on obeying Allah, the Exalted, in every situation, such as patience in times of difficulty and gratitude in times of ease, which involves using the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, they will be provided with peace of mind. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.